Hello my darlings, thank you so much for stopping by. Another amazing adventure. Let's just jump into DIY number 1 before I tell you what it's all about. I got this beautiful love black sign from Dollar Tree. I'm using these metallic white markers also from Dollar Tree, and as you watch my channel, you know that I love those stitching lines. So I'm going all over the letters love and I'm creating a stitching line on the edges. Next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm adding those beautiful white foam mini roses that I had purchased long time ago for my Valentine's creation, and I got some in my stack and I'm adding it on my love sign, and I'm really loving this combo, black and white. Let me know, what do you think? Romantic high-end Valentine's decor today. And my first creation is done for today. What do you think? I am so happy to announce that I'm collaborating with one of my dearest friends today, Emily from Farm Charm Chic. If some of you doesn't know Emily, she is a sweetheart, super talented, super sweet, and I really love her and I become a very good friend with her. And you gotta visit her channel if you haven't do so by now. And this is examples of some of the beautiful home decor that she's been creating. So please visit my beautiful friend Emily when you're done watching the video and give her some love. Links from her channel will be in the description box. DIY number 2. I'm using a half styrofoam ball, and I'm using these ivory roses from Dollar Tree. So all I need is just the roses. So I'm just removing them from the branches, just like that. I'm gonna need a lot of them so we can cover my styrofoam. So I'm just going all over, poking them and putting them on the foam. Super simple. I did so many bouquets like this last year, and I wanted to do some this year for Valentine's as well, except different colors. I'm really liking this off-white ivory pinkish color. Done with my flower bouquet, I'm using a black and white container that it was filled with popcorn before, but I'm gonna use it to fill out some chocolate, and we're gonna use it as a gift for Valentine's. So after I give you example how we're gonna fill out that container, I'm gonna put that black bow in the middle of my container. I have this bow from my Christmas gifts, and it's already done a bow, but it's long and I don't want to ruin it. So I'm just gonna tie it on the back and create another bow on the back of the container. First I was trying to roll it, but it didn't work. It was too short. So now I'm just gonna flip it on another side and tie a bow, just like so. And our beautiful bouquet is ready. I also added that Be My Valentine beautiful rose balloon, also from Dollar Tree, and look how pretty. DIY number 3. I got this beautiful frame from thrift store for a few dollars, and I'm just gonna remake it a little bit. I really like the Eiffel Tower and ooh la la saying everything is beautiful. I love the frame, so I'm just gonna remake it just a little bit. I got these beautiful transfer on stickers purchased from my local store, and I'm just gonna put them on the glass frame. The first stickers that I'm using, it says always is forever or always forever. Next, I'm using one of those I Love Paris glass stickers from Dollar Tree. and I'm gonna try to add it next to my Eiffel Tower. Trying to see where it's gonna look nice. I hope you can see it clear because there is a glass on that frame, and I tried to record it so you can see it. Even with that art of the Eiffel Tower, those stickers gonna give a special look to my art Valentine picture. Next, I'm adding a love transfer on sticker using the scraper so we can have those letters nice and smooth on the glass frame. And I added I love as well. Next, we're gonna detach two beautiful things to my glass art. I'm using this beautiful love envelope and a Beetlebee car. So I'm just gonna paint it a little bit on top. I'm painting one of those hearts, and I'm gonna cover those as well. I'm just using a white Waverly chalk paint. Sorry that you cannot see it. I don't know how the camera went like that. And for my envelope, I'm gonna use this beautiful pink shell folk art paint to match with my gloss art. So I'm just going all over with the paint. Super cute and easy, you know. Painting is not a big philosophy. And next, also, I'm gonna paint one of those error wooden cutouts from Dollar Tree, painted white, and I'm gonna detach it to my Beetle car. Just like that. And adding some rose, and adding some heart flower, and one of those foam flowers as well. And it's gonna go, the beetle is gonna go on top, and on the bottom I added the frame. First I added those flowers, those are from Dollar Tree, but then I'll change them. And now with that black and white mini ribbon, I'm gonna create a mini bow so I can glue it on my envelope. So I made two loops, I tie them together. Super cute and easy. And next, guess what? I'm using this beautiful rose pink metallic marker from Dollar Tree. I told you I love those markers. And I'm just making a stitching line around this envelope like I did on the first DIY. Just like that, just to give an extra detail to it. It's going all over the edges. Super cute. If you see it up close, it's really beautiful. So now I'm thinking, should I add these beautiful material roses, also from Dollar Tree, or just add those foam roses, soft pink color. I think it came out perfect. And look how it came out. Beautiful. I'm really loving it. Wait till you see the final reveal. DIY number 4. This is my last creations for today. I'm using this watch that I got on sale for like $4 from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just gonna remodel it as well. As you know me, I'm good about remaking stuff, either ruining them or making them look better. So I removed the whole thing from inside. I'm trying to remove the whole clock errors mechanism from there as well. As you can see, since I have too many watches in the house, I just wanted to make just a little cute romantic decoration. And all of these decorations are gonna go in my daughter's room, one of my daughter's room. So after I remove that mechanism, I'm gonna use it in a different project, so don't worry. I'm good with making and remaking and hopefully making good things. So after I remove all that cover, I'm adding this beautiful music note scrapbook sheet on top of that round sign using a glue stick, putting a decent amount of it, using the roller, make sure it's all nice and glued together. And now I'm cutting it and see how it's gonna look. And now I'm using one of those wooden ornaments from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use these beautiful mini foam roses, black and white. I'm just using a pattern, going all over until the whole wooden heart is covered, just like so. Now, when my heart is all filled, I'm gonna put it in the middle of my round sign. I also added a mini totally dazzle jewel, and look how pretty. I didn't want it to add anything extra on it. And here is my final reveal. I really had so much fun making, remaking, creating all this beautiful Valentine's decor. And here is the envelope with the flowers and the beetle car on top with a lot of roses and hearts, and the beautiful Be My Valentine balloon, and the round vase full with chocolate, and the roses, and the love sign, and the heart round sign. Let me know, what do you think? Emily, thank you so much for collabing with me today. I love you, girl. And I hope you like what I create. And you guys, make sure you visit Emily's channel and give her some love from me to her. And until next time, and until our next adventure, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye-bye.